Have you ever wanted to can your own tomato sauce? Well, today I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Let's get canning. Don't forget to like this video, follow for more, and don't forget to seed the day. So first up, I thoroughly wash my tomato harvest, and then I'm going to start processing my tomatoes. As I quarter them up, I want to make sure to get off any imperfections, any rough spots. I just want really clean tomato parts. I'm going to get them in a big pot and get them at a medium boil, and I'm going to continually mush them down as I continually add more chopped tomatoes to the pot. I let those simmer for about an hour and a half, and then I start ladling the simmered tomatoes into my food mill. This is going to take off the skins and remove the seeds. Don't throw away that food mill mixture. You can dehydrate it to make tomato paste later in the future. The sauce goes back into the pan, and then I'm going to add in some spices. I use sage, oregano, and basil that I dehydrated from the garden. Next up, I'm going to put my canning jars into my Presto electric canner. This is going to heat up my jars and sanitize them. So I set it, and that it will beep to let me know when it's time to fill my jars. So now it's time to fill the jars. I'm going to ladle in my mixture into the jars until I have about an inch head space. Once I get the jar full, I'm going to spoon in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And then I'm going to take my little stir stick that comes with my Presto kit here, and I'm going to stir it around and try to get rid of any air bubbles that could be in the bottom of the jar. Then with a paper towel and some vinegar, I'm going to clean the rim of my jar. This is really important so you don't have any bacteria that grows. Then I'm going to put on my sanitized lid, screw on my top fingertip tight, and back into the canner it goes. From this point on, you're going to set it again by pushing the play button, and it's going to start to pressurize. Then the canner will beep and let you know, okay, it's time to put on the little cap that gauges the pressure. You push play, and that's it. You've just canned your own tomato sauce.